Hello crafters, it's Alexa from Hearts Crafts, and I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of this cute little album I made with the Sailing Home bundle. I do have a tutorial for this, but I haven't figured out how to put it on YouTube yet, and when I do I will post it for you. So I've used some crumb cake baker's twine, and I used the little metal embellishments from the suite, and I also used the Sailing Home Memories and More pack. I had so much fun making this, and it turned out really cute, I think. I just hit and embossed some silver paper there, and that's one of the Memory and More cards. Okay, so I hope I keep this in camera for you. This is just a 4x6 album. Great little album for a mail or if you're traveling. And there's several fold outs here and a fold up. And they're all the pages are pocket pages, so I have a beautiful 4x6 mat here. I just kept them in Whisper White, and I used Night of Navy cardstock for the bases. Okay. Next page is just a little pocket page, and I just stuck in some of the cards from the Memories and Mores, and they're all double-sided, which is really cute. This is just another fold-out page. And I did use magnets, and once again this is another mat that pulls out. I left this page here blank, and this page is a pocket page. And this is cut from the dies from the Sailing Home suite. I think they're very cute. They also emboss, so happy about that. And this is just a belly band page. You can stick more mats in there. You can get loads of photos in this little album. I should have counted how many. Now this is a double fold out. It goes to the top and bottom and to the side. And then just another little pocket page. So I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough. Yeah, if I can figure out how to put this on YouTube, my tutorial, I will pop it on there. If anyone has any suggestions on how to do it, please let me know. I'm just learning, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.